Step 6, find either the p-value or the critical values. Draw and label the curve. Now, in step 5, we found that the test statistic rounded to 2 decimal places was z, which is equal to 1.25. Okay, so what we want to do first is we want to first go ahead and use the p-value method, and then we'll work with the critical value method. Okay, so let's do the p-value method. Okay, so what's important is we need to be able to draw and then label the curve. So we're going to draw and then label the curve. Okay, and so what do we know? We know that the test statistic is 1.25. Okay, and recall that this is a right tail. So because it's a right tail, we know that we're going to be shading to the right of that value. So therefore, what we want to be able to do is find this area here. Okay, now what does this area represent? Well, this area, okay, is going to represent the p-value, which means that we're looking for the probability that the value of z is greater than 1.25. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, we're going to use StatCrunch, or you can use the table to do that, but we're going to use StatCrunch. So we're going to open up StatCrunch, and then we're looking for the normal distribution. So we're going to select Stat, Calculators, and then scroll all the way down to where it says Normal. Okay, we have our mean of 0, our standard deviation of 1, since we're looking for the value that's greater than the test statistic. So then we're going to change this to be greater than or equal to, and then we're going to put in the value of 1.25 and then select Compute. Now let's go ahead and then copy this result. So therefore, this is going to give us a p-value of the following. So the p-value is going to equal 0.1056 if we round that to 4 decimal places. So therefore, we're going to say that the p-value here is going to equal 0.1056.